Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City. Welcome to the biggest city in Vietnam. I'm gonna start a walking tour right here. I'm gonna take you with me from the airplane to everything. So you know how everything works when you arrive here. The flight was very good. We're walking now. I also got my priority fast track thingy, and I will see if it's really that necessary or not. Oh, it already starts here. Oh, look at this. So quick. Well, you can get a SIM card over here. Marcus, ask how much the SIM card is here.
Oh, okay, I will ask.
Somewhere there should be my name. Okay guys, so I'm waiting here for the guy, but so many, so the fast track is super empty, but the other one, I would say 40 minutes. Okay guys, we just made it into the country. This is how it looks coming down from the immigration. The immigration was packed. It wasn't that terrible as I thought it would be, to be honest. And I would kind of think you just have to wait one hour. We bought the fast track, we waited, no, nothing actually. We went through the crew gates, so there was no one waiting there, and it was very quick. But now a small little crew went there and sneaked in front of Marcus. So here you can get your luggage right away. And then I assume you go out here with nothing to declare, goods to declare. Somewhere here there has to be some toilets, some restrooms as well. This is what I need right now. But you can buy some duty free here. I'm not sure if it's cheap here or not. Cigarettes are very inexpensive in the city as well. I wouldn't buy them here. This is where you can get the luggage, and then you leave with nothing to declare. Over here, it's very simple and small here, to be honest. Very small. Guys, I'm gonna wait for Marcus, and we're gonna continue. Okay guys, so now we just went out of the nothing to declare. Now you have a lot of cars streaming at you.
Yes.
You don't want to do anything here first. You can get everything here.
Yeah, I have to
how
tell.
It looks here.
This is almost the same like in Playa del Carmen in Cancun.
Yes.
When you arrive in Cancun, it's almost the same. You go through the like a floor, on left, on the right. It's all people screaming.
Yeah. So here you can change money. I wouldn't do anything here. Maybe you can get a SIM card or you get an eSIM right before. But everything is possible here. So I think should be also. You can probably also use a credit card for everything.
It's awesome.
Then let's see the price here. So this is. Can you pay with credit card?
Yes, sir.
Oh, perfect. Okay, I already got it. But thank you so much. Okay, so you can get a SIM card here, and then you're good to go.
Yeah,
Marcus.
you're good to go. But first, we should look after a bathroom.
Yeah, over there.
It's over there.
Guys, we are actually at the terminal 2. So I'm not sure if that even makes sense for the most of the people. This is a weird terminal, because I think terminal 1 and 3 is usually what you use if you want to transfer. But yeah, if you come from Thailand, this is the terminal 2. Hey guys, we made it outside, okay? And here you can see, you coming out here, the bus station is on the right side, okay? This is where we're gonna walk now, okay? My nose is still clogged. I think I'm a little bit sick from Thailand still. If you want to have some food or something, you can have it right away here. But I would still wait until you're in the city center. You have some Klug pickups here. And especially for everyone who's coming from Europe or flying into Ho Chi Minh City and then to Da Nang, this is the bus you have to take to Terminal 3. You are Terminal 2 now, the international the international terminal. You have to go to the domestic airport. If it's Vietnam Airlines, it's usually domestic Terminal 3. And this is where you have to go, guys. So you walk outside to the right, and then you see this green bus. And you can also see Naga T1, 2, and 3, all right? Everything's super simple. You could also walk here if you want that. I mean, I should walk. I still have to get my steps in. Marcus is getting a coffee right now here. This is not the official Grab station. The official Grab station is over there, but this is gonna go right after. We gotta go over there, go there, and then wait for the Grab. It's a little bit messy here, not like Da Nang, but at the moment it looks pretty good. I had it way worse in my mind. All right, guys, so if you wanna have the Grab, okay, we are here, there. We have to cross and then go to the left, all right? Very simple. All right, Marcus, let's walk.
Yeah, let's go.
Guess we have to walk over here to the right and to the left.
To the zebras, right?
Yes. Yeah. It is nice. It's a nice climate right now. It's not too hot. It rained, so it's humid, but not too bad, to be honest. Very interesting. I'm excited about the Ho Chi Minh City series now, where we're gonna explore the whole cities. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We will do a lot, and nightlife, food, everywhere. All right, so I think this is the way to go to the Grab station. Looks a little bit sketchy, but it should be fine. There you go. So I guess it's here. What you reckon? Yeah, it should be here. But we're gonna check it out now. We made it to the city. There's a 7-Eleven right here. Very nice, 24 hours. There are many convenience stores here. And yeah, these are the streets here. Ho Chi Minh City District 1. There's a big sign at the hotel saying, be careful with your belongings, especially with your phone, about phone snatchers here in the city center. But yeah, we're gonna be careful about that as well. But thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna film a lot of videos here in Ho Chi Minh City, so don't forget to like and subscribe and check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.